Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will perform the basic program in every language the Hello World. Watch it till the end because I add some keyword in programming. Now let's open our Visual Studio. Then create a new project. Console Application Net Framework. Then enter project named Hello World. So we know already what is the interface of C#, then now we will add a statement to be executed by the program. This is the basic Hello World. Console.write Hello World. In this code the write method means of write or print in the console. So there is two ways of printing in the console, the write and writeline method. The write method does not have next line after printing its value, then the writeline method gives the next line after printing its value. In this case we use write method. Inside the write method is Hello World, so the output will be Hello World. Now let's improve it by adding some code or output. We declared a string data type varname. Name is equal to some GWoo. Then we concatenate it to the Hello World. So the output of this code will be Hello World Sung Jin Woo. In the next video, we will know the different ways of running the console.